It's a beautiful morning. I want to point out the local celebrities as I'm walking around. So those garbage cans back there are full of ice and beer. What have we got here? Head out and ride the reservoir loop. Well, we got up quick. Not bad views, friends. This is big country. Yeah, it is.
And this is our 10th annual Giant Loop Ride.
Extreme close-up. I'd still be grouchy giant pants guy who can't hold a cigar. I'm much better at holding cigars now.
Previously on Lost.
It's Giant Loop Ride day. Two African twins on a trailer. I turned a corner and it almost knocked mine off the trailer. These are pronghorn, Eastern Oregon antelope kind of deer. 60-mile-an-hour winds, thunderstorm, quarter-sized hail coming in. There they are. Beautiful. I don't know what's up with that.
They literally closed the door on our faces.
And now the conclusion.
Good morning. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. We've been up for about an hour. It gets light here at 4 a.m. and there's no shade, so it just was really hard to sleep in, even though we were up until after 11:30 drinking and enjoying Mr. Puff Puffs with McLovin and his crew. It's a beautiful morning. It's nice to be sitting out here before it gets too hot, enjoying some coffee. It's beautiful out here. People are starting to show up. We're gonna ride Harleys this morning and then get some kind of other ride in the afternoon. Kris and Nathan and Derek are up and out and about. It's Anna Backlund behind them. So I'm just surrounded by famous luminaries. It's a beautiful morning. This is Vendor Row. Pretty cool. Hippo Hands is here rocking the T-dubs. And they're in that Mercedes-Benz, I don't know what that is, like a German fire truck. Pretty awesome. Tread Lightly's here. We got Tailgate Industries rocking their visor cases, goggles cases, Timber Sled, Bark Busters, Motaz. Got Beta. It's pretty fun. And then the main event, right here, Kris and Nathan. Ooh, that is a hell of a V-Strum. Manning the BDR booth. There's the Harley group getting ready to go out. I just got back from my demo ride, so check out the video of that. That's Anna Backlund right there. So make sure you follow her on Instagram at Anna Backlund. Hell of a rider, hell of a rider. It's the Harley setup, pretty exciting. This is Jesse from That Plated Life. We both just got back from riding Harleys. Sorry to interrupt, I just wanted to... You're not interrupting. I want to point out the local celebrities as I'm walking around. This is Laura Seaver, who has ridden all over the world, China, all over the place. She's got a Husky 701 long range, right?
That's what I have here.
And she's camping off of it. We all showed up in trucks and stuff, and she's like crushing it. Well, she's the one that's going to help everyone figure out how to get all the tracks on their GPS.
That's what I'm working with Jesse right now.
Sounds like a daunting task, probably, so I admire your patience.
All right.
Awesome. Good to see you again. Good to see you again. We're going to check in, I think. We're going to try. Check-in process is in full swing. Also, those garbage cans back there are full of ice and beer. The good product is all back here. We'll get into that later. Hey, we should probably check in.
Yeah, sign it, fill out a waiver and then slide over here.
Okay. Oh man, so if I already hurt myself, I can sue you?
Yeah, totally.
Okay, so this is Ryan. You know Ryan.
Giant Loop.
Giant
so
Loop.
you're getting one of the illustrious faces on my van here.
And look, it's not like it's full of stickers. This is
No, I will not do that.
quite an honor. Look at that.
Vital, they support us. That's me. Wilderness always makes you better.
Yeah.
And Dork in the road.
Not gonna happen.
There you
I'm
go.
honored. Thanks, Ryan.
Oh, no problem.
All right, I'll see you in a while. Look who it is. It's Beers, Bikes, and Camping. And he brought gifts. What have we got here?
Knob Creek, smoked maple, bourbon, straight bourbon.
Well, this guy knows what I like. You might be able to talk me out of a Mr. Puff Puff in exchange for that later. Although they'd have to be Duck fans because I gave all mine away last night. We can make that happen. Well, thanks, man. If you haven't, go subscribe to Beards. He has awesome Africa Twin, moto camping content, all the stuff that I know you like. Otherwise, what the hell are you doing here? And but better because his beard is longer. So go give him a subscribe.
A little bit, actually.
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, well played. All right, thanks, man. Much appreciated. Looking forward to this. We're gonna head out and ride the reservoir loop. Check that out, bring you guys along. Supposed to be good views and some fun riding, and it's close to camp, so we're gonna hit it up.
I have never ridden off the center stand before. I'm gonna try it.
Oh, okay, let me get that on camera just in case it's a complete and total fail. You're gonna have to rock it forward, I think. Yeah, you're just digging a hole. There you go, you had it. There you go.
There we go. That was anticlimactic at best.
Hey, you didn't crash. Could have been better, I mean worse. Holy shit, I'm glad we're already checked in. Well, we got up quick. Not bad views, friends. Not bad at all. This is not ugly. This is big country.
Yeah, it is. So that's roughly 50 miles of dirt we just did.
Hell yeah. It's 3 o'clock on day 2. Had a great ride this morning. Got out, did the reservoir loop, and now just kind of chilling, rehydrating at camp for a little bit. So I'm underneath the tarp shelter that we built to get a little shade because it is hot and the wind is crazy. We just went and rescued, there's a lot of these pop-up awnings, and dude, somebody left theirs over there kind of tied down, but it had blown over and was like leaning up against their truck. So Duck Fan was like, we should go do something about that. So we went over there and pulled the legs down and just sort of collapsed the thing and set it down where it wouldn't blow away. So that was our good deed for the day. I probably should have filmed that, but I didn't because, you know, we were just kind of pressed for time. It was about to go over the fence over there and disappear. Best time of the night. The beers have arrived. Delicious. I got a Grom. I'm okay.
Thank you very much for coming. This is our 10th annual Giant Loop Ride, which is hard to believe. Here we are 10 years later, and this is our biggest and best yet, by far. So thank you all.
Motocamp Nerd sponsored our dinner, and Harold just called me out of the crowd to like do a commercial for him. So I did my best. So go check out motocampnerd.com. Big thank you to Motocamp Nerd for sponsoring our dinner.
I'm trying to get out of your shot.
You're trying to get in it. That's Beards, by the way. He's here. You already subscribed to him.
I called him out.
Yeah.
Totally got him in front of the crowd.
That was your fault. Oh, okay. There it is. Extreme close-up.
There's the artistic transition of the year right there.
Yep. This guy knows how to make videos. Pulled pork dinner and a brownie. Just sitting on the ground because, well, I don't have that many hands, so looking forward to this. Oh, and another beer fell into my thing. Awesome. There's Duck Fan. Oh, you're like shining in the sun. I can't see your face. Legit. Sun's right behind you. Yum times. Who says that? If I'd never gotten off my ass, I'd still be this guy. If I'd never taken the step, gotten off the couch and walked into a motorcycle dealership and bought a motorcycle, even though it wasn't one that I kept forever, it was the wrong bike for me, I'd still be him. I'd still be this. I'd still be grouchy giant pants guy who can't hold a cigar. I'm much better at holding cigars now. Adventure's for everyone. I'm not just talking about riding. I'm talking about whatever it is. Ask for that promotion at work. Ask that girl out, you know? Sometimes it just takes one step, right? And you never know where you're gonna lead. If you're not sure what you wanna do, sometimes starting is more important than knowing where you're going. Get off your ass and chase your dreams, even if you're not quite sure what they are. Settled into the tent for the night. It was an eventful afternoon and evening, and I didn't really film much of it. Then I gave my presentation tonight, a presentation that I've been working on for weeks, kind of obsessing over it. It went well. It was great. About half an hour long. People laughed at my jokes, so it must have been okay. Happy to have it done. Focus on writing tomorrow. Sorry there wasn't a lot in the afternoon. It was just kind of hot, and we just sat in the shade and tried not to die. After we got back from riding, I tried to take a nap. That didn't really work out. That's it for day 2 here at the Giant Loop Ride. Tomorrow is day 3, and our plan right now is to try to get to the Afterward Desert, which is something I've always wanted to see. So it's a long ride. It's about 2 hours. Depends on how you go, but it takes a long time to get there. So we are gonna attempt that tomorrow. So check out that video. I'll link it when it's ready. For now, as always, I just want to say goodnight, and please do not forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you.